SED rates are the most widely used indicator of inflammation and help aid in the diagnosis or monitoring of subclinical, acute, and chronic inflammatory conditions such as infections, autoimmune disorders, some malignancies, and many more. Traditional erythrocyte sedimentation rate testing requires significant hands-on time, is subject to numerous variables, and has a short window of sample stability. Alcor Scientific has made it our mission to transform ESR into one of the easiest and most efficient tests in the lab with the widest range of ESR solutions. miniiSED, the most user-friendly and efficient ESR solution for lower volume labs. miniiSED uses novel photometric rheology technology to rapidly generate an ESR value based on red blood cell aggregation, which represents the first step of red blood cell sedimentation. miniiSED uses capped, primary EDTA tubes and processes one sample at a time. Samples are stable for up to 28 hours at room temperature or 48 hours if refrigerated. The small sample volume allows the same lavender top tube to be used for other tests, such as CBCs. Samples are stable up to 7 times longer than traditional ESR methods. The home screen displays useful information at a glance. The operator simply inserts a tube to start testing. A built-in barcode scanner scans the sample as it is inserted into the analyzer. Samples can be mixed on a rocker prior to loading on miniiSED, or an onboard mixing protocol can be activated to automate the mixing process. After mixing, only 100 microliters of whole blood is aspirated for testing. The sample is pumped into a flow cell, which causes the red blood cells to disaggregate. When the pump stops, an optical sensor detects the changes in light transmission through the flow cell as the red blood cells reaggregate. miniiSED calculates an ESR value based on light transmission. Up to 180 tests can be performed per hour. Less than 3 seconds of hands-on time is needed per sample, and the intuitive, easy-to-use user interface allows for seamless implementation. Results are generated in 15 seconds, reported in millimeters per hour, correlated to the Westergren method. The analyzer returns the sample to the loading port when testing is complete. Results can be accessed via the result log. Results can be exported on demand or automatically transmitted to the LIS. miniiSED uses Seditrol ESR controls, which are ready-to-use human blood-based controls. After mixing, controls are scanned and loaded, and miniiSED does the rest. miniiSED does not require any per-test disposables or reagents. miniiSED also does not require any user-initiated daily maintenance. Wash and waste containers are stored on board the analyzer. The user is notified when the wash solution needs to be replaced and when the waste container needs to be emptied. With its compact footprint, minimal sample volume requirements, and 15-second turnaround time, miniiSED is ideal for smaller laboratories, stat labs, near-patient testing, and other low-volume testing sites that can benefit from a compact, rapid, and user-friendly ESR solution. Transforming SED rate testing with smaller sample volume requirements than other ESR methods. Results in 15 seconds, less than 3 seconds of hands-on time per sample, 7 times longer sample stability than other methods, minimal maintenance requirements, high throughput and a small footprint.